Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. I've also got a 250 subscriber special which is coming up soon, so if you're liking what you're watching, the button is right down there underneath this video. Okay, today we are in another very small village. Again, it's in Doncaster and this place is absolutely full of character. This place reminds me of Emmerdale. If anybody watches it, you'll probably get the idea as we walk around exactly why I've said that. Welcome to Hooton Pagnell. Okay, as I stand outside the magnificent structure of Hooton Pagnell Hall, which is now a private residence, that will do us for the village of Hooton Pagnell. Again, I have probably missed something that I should probably have filmed, but there's not a lot in this village to film, to be honest. But that doesn't mean I haven't missed something. So if you know something that I don't, you know what to do. Send me any information you can for a part 2. I should also mention that this parish does include the little tiny hamlet of Morehouse, but apart from an equine veterinary centre, there's not really much in it, or at least I don't think there is. If I'm wrong on that and someone knows something I don't, do feel free to let me know and I will include it in part 2. Apart from that though, I've been the Village Idiot, and from Emmerdale, sorry I mean Hooton Pagnell, I'm out.